Hello everybody and welcome to CNATT channel. In this video we show you how to add this PC icon to desktop in Windows 11. After installing Windows, only the recycle bin icon is available on the desktop and File Explorer is used to access this PC. Many people want to add this PC icon to the desktop for quick access. Some people create shortcut from this PC to the desktop, which is not the right thing to do. In this case, some options will not be available by right-clicking on this PC. Follow the steps to add this PC icon to the desktop. Right-click on an empty space of the desktop and select Personalize. On Personalization screen, select Themes. Under Related Settings, select Desktop Icon Settings. To add this PC to the desktop, check the small box before Computer, then select Apply and OK. Tips and tricks. You can rename this PC to my computer by right-clicking on this PC icon. You can quickly show or hide all desktop icons on your computer by right-clicking on the desktop and selecting Show Desktop Icons and Hide Desktop Icons option. To remove this PC icon from the desktop, right-click on it and select Delete, and to edit, repeat the steps again. If the desktop on your computer is cluttered and you don't want to display this PC on the desktop, you can pin it to the Start menu. This allows you to access this PC by selecting the Start menu. Another way is to pin this PC to quick access. Right-click on this PC and select Pin to Quick Access. How to view desktop icons without adding them? Go to File Explorer and then select the Up button. How to quick access this PC using shortcut key. By default, File Explorer opens Quick Access. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows E shortcut keys on the keyboard. Now press the backspace key on the keyboard. Use the arrow keys to select this PC and press Enter. If you'd rather have File Explorer open to this PC, under Ribbon, select See More Options. In the Open File Explorer to list, select this PC and then select apply. Now by pressing the Windows E shortcut keys on the keyboard, this PC will open. Thanks for watching the video. You can see more tutorials on our channel.